Okay guys, I think you want to check this out. So this is why people come here, by the way, okay? This is the reason people come. These are the giants, Los Gigantes. That's the giants, okay? Look at this, the rocks everywhere. It's like, wow, like the waves. Ah, wow. Wow, the nature here. The nature, the power of nature. Yes. It's freaking awesome. Wow, can you see that? I want to go there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. But there's like a natural pool. I'm definitely... That's where we are going, okay? That's where we are going, and I'm gonna show you how it looks there, guys. I'm going there now. There's some stairs here. There's some stairs here. We're going right there. We're going right there. Because I definitely want to see that. I'm definitely going to swim there. Because that's freaking awesome. That's like freaking awesome. So, yep. Okay, this place is really nice, I have to say. It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. I mean, the whole island of Tenerife is amazing. Okay, but wow, this is spectacular. Okay, this place is spectacular. This place is awesome, and we're going to swim, and we're gonna see the power of nature. This is the power of nature. It's spectacular. It's amazing. So we're gonna see more nature, and it's gonna be awesome. So guys, stay with me. I'm gonna show you how it looks like here. It's freaking awesome. It's freaking awesome. And yeah, going closer. We're going closer. Okay, I think we will see it right here. Right here, we're gonna see. Okay guys, we are here. There's some people coming. We will let them pass, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like here. Guys, just give me a second. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Yes, here we go, guys. Here we go. Okay guys, we're going down there. We're going down there, and we're going to swim, guys. We are going to swim. We are going to swim. We are going to swim.